Kung papayagan po tayo ng sambayan ng Pilipino, nais ko pong bumalik sa Senado para ipagpatuloy yung mga naiwang kong trabaho.
He's actually been there longer than, 20% of all the registered voters have been in the world, I mean, in existence. So, what could he possibly not have yet done that he should have done those 21 years?
Tulad po nung Land Use Act, importante ho yun dahil kung hindi natin kayang tukuyin, no, if we cannot determine what we need for land areas, no, actually land and water use yun. Okay? For residential, agricultural, commercial, government centers, recreational centers, paano natin paplanuhin kung saan dadaan yung kalsada, yung release ng tren, yung port, no? May isa pa tayong advocacy, no? One is, sinasabi palagi ng pamahalaan, inclusive growth, whole of nation approach. Kung ganun ang usapin, kailangan unahin natin, no, with limited resources, no, contracted fiscal space, dahil nga sa COVID and other developments, no? Unahin natin yung pinakamaliit, pinakamalayo, pinakamahirap, food security. Diba? Security from traffic, standstill traffic, security in the streets, security in the West Philippine Sea. No? Ganun ang tema. At ang paraan para dito ay yung naranasan ko as the ICT Secretary, no? Digitalization, which allows us to do things faster and in a more precise manner.